Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use teamwork.com for your strategic planning in 2025. First up, log into your teamwork.com account. Now, don't underestimate this step. Ensuring you're on a secured network is crucial to protect your strategic planning from any potential security breaches. Next, create a new project. This is where you'll store all your strategic planning data, such as tasks, timelines, and goals. The reason we do this is to have a central location for all your strategic planning documents, making it easier for everyone on your team to access and contribute. Now that we've done that, it's time to set up your project tasks. Break down your strategic plan into actionable tasks and assign them to your team members. This helps us because it allows your team to understand their roles and responsibilities clearly, which is vital for effective strategic planning. Moving on, let's set those deadlines. Assign completion dates to each task. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Teamwork.com automatically creates a project timeline, which visualizes your strategic plan and helps you keep track of progress. Next up, use the messages function to communicate with your team. Keeping your communication in the same platform as your planning tools helps to maintain clarity and avoid any confusion. Finally, regularly review and adjust your strategic plan as necessary. This is important because strategic planning is a dynamic process, and it's essential to adapt as circumstances change. Let me explain why this matters. By following these steps on teamwork.com, you're streamlining your strategic planning process, ensuring everyone is on the same page and allowing for real-time adjustments. So there you have it, your guide to using teamwork.com for strategic planning in 2025. Remember, the key to successful strategic planning is to keep it clear, concise, and adaptable. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.